Yes, no, maybe. I don't know. Can you repeat the question? You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the
Hello
boss of me.
YouTubers, this is NaughtyHog1 and I am going to teach you how to make a slap or punch sound effect. So the first thing you need to do is go into iMovie, and you need to have already recorded what you want for this effect. So you go into here, put that in there, drag it, find what you want. So say I want to start the video from here. Okay, get that. Now where do I want it to end? I will have it ending here. Bang. Okay. Now listen to this. Okay, now I want to get rid of that, so I double click it, and I've already converted it, so all you got to do is convert clip. Then you go to audio and drag that down to 0%. Done. Now it should be like this. Okay, now what you have to do is get the sound effect. So go into Firefox or Safari, whichever one you want. Then you go to, say, punch sound effect and get the top one, which is highlighted in purple. Okay, now go to slap, because slap would be much better than punch for this clip. Okay, so then you click on this little icon, save as source, slap, save. I've already saved this, so yeah. So you get out of that. Now you go to the magnifying glass, type it in, and then you press on it and it will go into iTunes. Now once you've done that, you go back into iMovie, go into the little music icon and find and use iTunes and type in slap or whatever you've called it. Okay, so that is what I'm going to use. Now you drag this right where you want it, so right there would be good. Okay, so now it sounds like this, and that is how you make a slap sound effect.